Live your life. You steady chasing that big bar, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no hate.
What's up, guys? So today was a shoulder day. After warming up, I started off with seated overhead dumbbell shoulder presses. I did 20 pounds, 25 pounds, 30 pounds. Then I ended it with 35 pounds. I tried to keep it between 8 to 12 reps. As far as my working sets, I did 5 sets altogether. For the 20 pound, the 25 pound, and the 30 pound dumbbell, I did 1 set each of 12 reps. Once I got to the 35 pounds, I did 2 sets each. Each set I did 8 reps. I'm no trainer whatsoever, but if I could give any advice, I would say do not lock out your elbows. Try to keep the tension on your shoulders at all times. I also did seated single arm overhead dumbbell shoulder presses. I did 5 sets of 15 to 20 reps each arm. I then moved on to the seated dumbbell lateral raises. I did 5 sets of 10 to 12 reps. I didn't want to over engage my traps, so I made sure I kept the weight pretty light. Next, I moved on to a superset of dumbbell rear delt flies and front raises using the bench. My main thing was to keep my shoulders pushed down on the bench at all times. I used light weight, that way my body wasn't lifting off the bench. Because this was a superset, I did 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. what's your favorite shoulder exercise when you go to the gym? Mine, of course, is the seated overhead dumbbell shoulder presses. Be sure to comment down below and let me know. If you like this video, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. Thanks for watching.